Hello beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. In case you are new, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, and today we're gonna create some hairstyles using sticks. These are the easiest. In case you didn't watch my previous sticks hairstyles, make sure to watch it. I'll leave it in the I button and in the info bar as well. But without further ado, let's get started.
For our first updo, we're gonna select our side section and we want to tie it like tying your laces just once. Now you want to bring them both together and you want to twist them and wrap them around your stick twice. Now you want to twist your stick and bring it through the both selected sections before, like I'm showing, and it will be very secure. For the second half updo, we want to select again our side section and we want to begin a simple 3-strand braid. Here we want to twist our hair twice around the stick. Twist your stick and bring it through the both selected sections before and through the braid as well, so this way it will be secure. Actually, this hairstyle was requested by one of you, but it will look different if your hair is thicker or thinner than mine, of course. For the next hairstyle, we want to bring our hair like in a low ponytail and twist. Now you want to bring it over your chopstick, creating kind of infinity sign. Now you want to twist your stick and bring it through the hair from the scalp and through the bun as well. Before bringing it through the bun, make sure to hide the ends. For the next one, this will be a French twist. Basically, we'll begin it like a French twist, creating a top loop, and then you want to bring your chopsticks through the loop. Now you want to twist your chopsticks with your hair as well and bring it up and a little bit through the twist. When you feel it secure, make sure to hide the ends and bring your chopsticks through the twist and through the hair from the scalp. This way it will be secure. We kind of sewing with our chopsticks our hair. So for the next hairstyle, we want to gather all our hair, bring your chopsticks up and wrap your hair around it twice or 3 times depending on how long your hair is. Twist your chopsticks and bring it through the hair from the scalp. Release a little bit your twist, just a bit, and bring your chopsticks through the opposite side of the bun, and you're done. Next French twist will be a little bit different. We want to roll our hair like creating a regular French twist, hiding the ends, and then we'll use our chopsticks like bobby pins or grips. So we'll bring it through the hair from the scalp and through the twist as well, and then we want to select our second chopsticks for security and crisscross it, and you're done.
I hope that you enjoyed today's hairstyles. If you do, guys, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. Also, let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles is actually your favorite. Don't forget to check my previous hair tutorials. But that's it for today, and you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!